Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and here we are into the members area of Easy Profit Pages. And basically what Easy Profit Pages does is it makes affiliate websites that look like this. And this is the done for you site that comes with the program, and I'm going to use it as an example. And this site can be edited, but anyway, you've got the drop down here. It's a pop-up that comes up, and if they sign up on here, it will send them to a web class where you can make high ticket commissions. And if they click these tabs up here, it takes them to like a blog article. If I push that, and this is a blog article, and they read the blog article. And then you have a chance to make affiliate commissions right here with Neo Commissions. And then they have another chance to sign up for the free web class. And here are the other blog articles that are on the sidebar here. That's the same ones. But anyway, we're going to go back to the Easy Profit Pages. And on this page, basically you have three tabs. You got Communicate, Build, and Explore. And these are all tools that they're going to need for affiliate marketing. They're going to need an autoresponder. And this one here is hooked up to Aweber. If they click there, you're going to be sent to Aweber, and all you have to do is go to Aweber and sign up for their affiliate network. Then your Aweber affiliate banner will be on there. So then if they sign up for Aweber or the autoresponder that you sign up for as an affiliate, you will collect a commission. Same thing with tracking. This is an affiliate link. So if they click that, it will send them to the tracking site. And if they're if you're affiliate of that, and they purchase, you'll make a affiliate commission. So really, basically, all you have to do is promote this site, get traffic to it. And anyway, we're going to go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to play this welcome message by the vendor so you can have a better understanding of the program. So I'm going to play that now.
Welcome to Easy Profit Pages, where you're going to be able to create some phenomenal niche affiliate sites in a matter of moments. But before we get to that, let's just show you around the platform so you know where to go and when. So we've got two menus. The main one is on the left hand side, but there's a cheeky little one on the right hand side at the top right hand side, which just has a few important things, most notably the integrations. Okay, so what you'll see here is on the left hand side, a very crucial element, the tutorials. If you have any problems, if you need some help, you don't know how to do something, or you've tried to jump the gun and do it without learning how to set it up, this is where you need to go to, the tutorial section. This is your first port of call. So you're going to find a whole plethora of videos where you're going to be able to find out how to set everything up. So check that page out real soon. Okay. Now, if there are any problems and any issues that can't be resolved via the videos, your next port of call is to click on help. And this is where you'll be able to contact us. This is the only place that you will be able to contact us. So if you do need to contact us, check out the help section ASAP. And then the rest of the items in creating your campaigns are on the left hand side, the upgrades, all that good stuff. So make sure you go through and take a look. But as I say, the most important thing, check out the tutorials first so you know exactly what to do. So good luck, and we'll see you real soon.
Okay, like he said, the first thing that you should do is look at the tutorials. And here are the tutorials. Okay, and I'm not going to play this video, but I am going to play this video. And here are the different tutorials that you have to choose from. And I recommend that you watch those. It teaches you how to set this program up and some other things at the bottom down here. But anyway, I'm going to go back up to the done for you, how to set it up. Okay, here's how you set the done for you setup. It says, I'm going to play that.
So in this video, we're going to be setting up the Done For You campaign, which you'll find under campaigns. So in this section, you're able to edit the Done For You campaign or create new. The next video, we'll be talking about creating new. In here, we'll just be talking about modifying this, setting up, which is really, really simple, because essentially what we need to do is we need to go in here and we need to put in our affiliate links. Okay, so if anyone clicks on anything, it is ready to go. So before we go into the actual campaign, we can go down to resource slider, and here you're going to see all of the products that are in the resource slider. You'll see we've got these links here that you can go across to, so you can just click on a button, it will take you across to the product. You will be able to sign up, get your affiliate link for those products, and then paste it in here, click the save button. Alternatively, you can click on the edit button, go right into it, and paste in the affiliate link here, click save changes. Okay, so just make sure that you do have a link in this right hand column. Okay, so once you've done that, you've got your affiliates, that's your resource slider done. The next is to make sure that the ad and the webinar have your link. So the ad and the webinar that we've got for the Done For You campaign, the apply links will be beneath this video. So make sure you check this out and check that out and get your links. And then go down to, here's the ad, you'll just click on edit once you've got your affiliate link, and you will put it in here. Likewise, the webinar, you'll click on edit, you'll scroll down and you'll put in your affiliate link, okay, where I've just put Google. Once you've done those two, you've done your resource slider, you can go to campaigns. And really, once you've set it all up, it's basically ready to go. But we go in here by clicking on the edit button. And what we can do is you can put your name in here to personalize your site, or put in, you know, company name, whatever you want. You can change the logo if you see fit. It's always beneficial. And you could change the background image as well if you wanted to. Alternatively, just rock with what's there. And you know, the most important element of this is to set up your autoresponder. So we had the video that just spoke about it, and then here you'll just choose your autoresponder that you've connected, and then you'll choose your list that you want it all to go onto, that you've set it up. And you know, as we always say, going to your autoresponder, you will set your list up. Obviously, it's different for every single autoresponder, but you will set up a list, and you'll want to set up some welcome emails. Okay, so welcome people onto your list, send them promotional emails for different products, all that sort of good stuff. Okay, and you know, alternatively, if you don't want to use one of the APIs, you can click on raw HTML, create that within your autoresponder, paste that in there. And once it's done, all you need to do is click on the Save Changes tab, and obviously that will take you back out to the main page, and you'll be able to click on Publish and view the page, embed it, download it, all that sort of good stuff. You're ready to go.
Okay, that was how to set up the Done For You pages. And you get access to the webinar by clicking this button here. So you can get your affiliate link right here. And as he said, you can get the integrations. This is how you set that up. And here's how you create a campaign from scratch. But anyway, up here is the integrations tab. This is where you integrate with your autoresponder and the tutorials again. But basically, you go down here to campaigns. And this is the Done For You campaign that we looked at. It's this page here. And this is where you can edit that. And this is where you can publish it. And this is where you can delete it. So if you push edit, you got these different options here to choose from, so you can edit the page. All right, this is where you can change your autoresponder. Anyway, but you got to get the resources to put your affiliate links in there. So you go here, the resources slider, it said, and this is where you get your affiliate links, and this is where you put them in. So you apply right here, and then you put the affiliate link in here. But you're going to have to be approved from these different networks in order for it to work. And you can edit and you can delete. And then you got actions, copy, or go to link. But anyway, you're going to have to be approved for the Aweber, Buzzsprout, ClickFunnels, ClickMagick, Crowdfire, Shopify, Teachable, and Videmi. If I spelled that or said that right. But anyway, that's where you get the resources so you can get affiliate commissions on the Done For You site. And then here's pages. Okay, and this is the different, like, blogs. You got blogs. You can, I don't know if you can add new, yeah, you can create a new one. Okay, or you can edit it, publish it, and delete it. That's the blogs up here. This blog, these are blogs or articles. It's the blog style. So that's where you get those at. But anyway, and then we got pages, and then here's where social. This is where you can connect to Twitter, Reddit, or Tumblr. This is where you can share it on these different networks, but you're going to have to be a member of these networks in order for it to work. But anyway, free traffic. This is training, basically. And speaking of traffic, really all you have to do with this website is get affiliate links, put it on the site, and then promote the site. That's really all you have to do, but you're going to need traffic. And in my bonuses, I got some different methods to where you can get some free traffic. So you want to check out my bonuses because I've got different methods on there. So anyway, this is just basically training. And they give you some products on here. And some of these products are pretty good. I've used them. They're not bunk products. They're real good products. This Affiliate Traffic Lab, I've used that in the past. Viral News Jacker. But anyway, the free traffic, and here's the upgrades. These are the upgrades that you've purchased. And then here's where you can upgrade your membership. And if you have a problem, here's the help section. Well, anyway, that's basically it for Easy Profit Pages. So anyway, if it looks like something that you're interested in and you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, all you got to do is go through a link somewhere on this page, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to all my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, and make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.